is it?
What is it, Enz? You're telling the other dogs.
It's all right. Hey.
Where are the other dogs, Envy?
Good girl.
You're going to protect us? Or everybody in the whole neighbourhood?
It's all right.
They're such naughty, aren't they? They're such naughty, Envy.
Yeah.
What you doing?
It's all right, isn't it?
Roo-roo. Oh-de-roo-roo. Oh-de-roo-roo. What are they doing, Enz? What is all these people doing? What are they doing? You cough at them out the window, Envy. You cough at them all. You cough at all these people. I think all the other dogs have been quiet now. I think so.
I'm sure she could start them off again.
What you doing, Enzy? What you doing? What you doing? Are you gonna fly out the window? Aren't you? There's one. You're very well done, Ferocious Envy. Very well done, Ferocious. What you gonna do, Envy? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You gonna leap? Maybe not so much. You get up there. Oh. You're up the other side. Down there. Where are they? Where has everyone gone, Enz? What's going on? Does Logan have to take you down to sea? Off you go. Go on then, everyone. Let's go. Let's go. The poltergeist is banging, Logan. The poltergeist. Logan, get the poltergeist. Logan.
Come on, young lady.
It's important, there's a poltergeist. Oh. Goodbye, everyone. Say goodbye, Uncle Logan.
Bye, Uncle Logan.
Wave goodbye. Wave. Do a little dance. Better dance than that. A better dance. The poltergeist demands you dance better. You can hear it banging. Yeah, that's okay. Go now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Bye.